Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Bitget coupon code. So first of all, if you want to know how to access your coupon codes, just go ahead and click more inside the Bitget app, and then you're going to be able to see coupons in the popular section. Just go ahead and click the popular section. Right? If you're using app, profile, or coupon center, and then coupons, and then once you claim the coupons, your coupons will become available, no transfer required. Basically, if you want to know how to use the coupon codes, coupons can only be used to offset spot and future transaction fees. Each coupons contain a valid amount, and some have a discount ratio. For example, suppose you received a 100 USDT coupon with a 50% discount. If you make a trade with a 10 USDT transaction fee, you can use the coupon to deduct 50% of the transaction fee, 5 USDT. The coupon will then have 95 USDT remaining for use in other trades. All right. If you hold both coupons in trading bonuses, the coupons will be used first. Coupons must be claimed while they are valid. Any coupons that are not claimed in time will expire. Coupons must be used while they are valid. Any coupons that are not used in time will expire. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.